Today, we are going to do a craft and that is called window art. So, window art is actually a thing like we get some glass things, like I'll show you, like this. We get some glass things and we get a few tubes. So, then we open the tubes and we put it in the space. And now, there are many cutouts like this. These things are normal, but these princesses can also interchange. Like this is one, so its hair can come out, its face can come out, and its lower body and upper body can also come out. Like that. So you can do anything. What I've done is this way. There are only these many cutouts of princesses. For 3 princesses, there are, 12 cutouts. Look, this is what I've done. So now we will fill this with these tubes. And we can fill the castle at last. So let's start with this one first. Oops, this one keeps breaking. So we'll start to fill this first. So we are going to start it now. So this is the cutout. Which color should I fill? Let's do it one by one. No, let's do it together. So to make skin color, we can use orange and yellow mixed. We'll do skin at last. So this will be skin as it's a crop top. This can be purple. Yes. So we'll do pink in the skirt. And don't try to put too much less, because if you do, then it will get ruined. Because later when it dries in 12 hours, I'm telling you this. And later when it dries, it shrinks also. So don't try to use very less. And you have to clean these lines so that they're visible. Because when they dry, they're very tough to remove. So you can also clean the sides. By the way, I'm cleaning like that only. Yes, so now this pink portion is done. So guys, I just took a toothpick as it went out. You can also use it. So how is it, guys? Now this purple. Let's keep this pinky here. Pinky tingy. This one is working way too better than the pink one. You know, in this set, pink and purple are sparkly, but the other colors are not. So now it is the turn of black. By the way, looks nice, right? So black comes away, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. This one needs much detailing. So we've done this much. Let's see, does orange and yellow make it? Let's check on my hand first. I don't know why I feel that orange and yellow can make skin color. Let's see. More orange. I'll use this only then. Yes, it does make. Just we have to put much orange. Yes, yellow. Less yellow, I mean. Is that skin? We need so much orange. Yeah, fine. Just exactly skin. This is the correct way. we can't waste the one on the hand. So I'm using that. Now let's do on this side. I don't know why I feel that I should do only orange instead of mixing yellow. I just forgot about the face if I tell you. Done. Now let me put this here. I have to refill more, I think. Black's fine, skin's not. Just let me fill more skin. So guys, now one is done. So now let's start the next one. Let's keep this aside. So guys, right now we are making a mermaid. So we'll use green and blue. Like first blue then green. Oh, like the picture symbol. The same. Oh, tissue keeps flying away. So I'll not use only green. I will use purple too. That will make a better shade. So now we can close this blue one. Now we can remove the borders like this. Now let's start with green. Now let's remove the borders. Now the last color is pink. Purple color is done. Now a little bit more. We have to use again pink. So green we can do here. Yes, here blue color is, and after that pink, the worst. Pink doesn't come out, that's why I don't like it, otherwise it's my favorite color. So after this, now we'll use pink. Which one? Let's try this. It's almost ready. So guys, now it's ready. So now let's see how does it look on this girl. First we'll remove this. Oh my gosh. Yes, removed it. Now let's put this. How does she look? Doesn't she look nice? And now let's exchange it normally now. So it's done. So guys, this was just part 1. But in part 2 and 3, I'll show the extra pieces of this. There are 2 more pieces. I'll show that. And I'll show you this also. It's getting stuck in there. Yeah. Like this is a notebook. So not exactly a notebook like a book. So we can make these type of stickers also. I'll tell you later how to make it in part 3. And in part 2 I'll make, obviously one of another princess. So see you in part 2. Bye everyone.